5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And 170, all the way down to a 5 left be neat. And 1 right over crest, 40. 1 right at crest again, only 60, turn square right at the sign. Go 300. Take a line at the sign for right on crest. Watch the 4 left opens to a 2 left. Watch it. And you have a very short 4 right, don't cut. Use your box, Robbie. Short 4 right, don't cut. 150 down the middle. Good lad. All the way down to a 2 left and a 2 right crest bump, 2 left here. Crest, 2 right crest bump, care long, 2 right. Watch, there's water I think. 2 right at the sign and a 3 right. 100. 3 right at the red roof and 1 left after it. Good man. 100 go. 1 left up here and a 2 left and a care 3 left. So it's left, left and left again. It gets tighter as you go around. 2 right. 100. Caution, 2 right at the big tree and a 3 right crest bump jump. Don't cut. 40. Slippy 2 right into crest jump, 3 left at the red roof. Watch it. 40. 2 left and 2 left flat. 100. 3 right at the bottom here and 4 left, don't cut. Slot 5 right, it comes quick. And a 2 right. Right here, 2 right and right on flat crest. 130. Late 2 left in.
Late 2 left in here.
Late 2 left here and the caution, 3 left, comes quick into a 4 right. 60. 2 left at the wall. 200. Flat 150, mind the dip. Crest 100, watch the dip. Brake at the sign for the dip, only 40. You only have 40 when at the sign. Turn square left, no exit. Use your box, Robbie. 40, go. 1 right. Good man. 1 right, 1 left, 100. This is absolutely flat the whole way down. You have a 300, mid crest 300 the far side of this. You have a late 4 right at the bottom. See it there at the sign?
Yeah, I know where I'm braking.
Yeah. 60 and a fast 5 left. 4 right here at the sign, carry your speed. 60, fast 5 left past the junction, carry your speed. 300 the far side. Good man, plant your shoe, plant your shoe. That's the boy. 300 all the way to your chicane, left entry, 4 bales.
We have him, bro.
Hallelujah. Tight 5 right here around the bale. 270 go. Good man. 270 go. See the big 3 above?
Yeah, flat to there.
Yeah. Mid crest jump, 330 the far side. 1 left at the top. See the tree and then left on crest jump 100. So if you 1 left and you have a left on crest 100. Crest jump 1 right 150 to chicane. Right entry 4 bales. You have a 3 right then. Good man. Fucking mirror, Robbie. Out and in for a 3 right at the pole 150. Stop. Square left here. Don't cut it, you man. Cut. 80 here. Good man. 80. Crest bump jump. All the 1. 2 right past the junction. Slippy. Big balls down here on the 1 right. 100. Mid crest jump 80. Flat crest at the sign. 500. Good man. See the chicane at the bottom for left entry 3 bales. Burst the engine if you have to. Buy a new one on the way home. Crest jump the far side. 40.
Oh, in the head
Flat crest 100. Long 2 left at the wall, you can see it there, see it? You
Yep.
only have 60 to a care long 4 right, you're slowing at the sign. It's a 4 right slowing at the sign. Use your box. And you have a long 2 left continues, don't cut it. You've 150, And a slow 3 right, but use the road for a slot hairpin left. You with me?
Yeah,
3
I'm with
right
you.
here, use the road for a slot hairpin left. Good man. Handbrake, no, don't.
No.
62 left. Don't cut it. Keep out. 200. 3 right bump. Past the junction, it's shiny. You've 100 the far side on a flat crest. 100. Fast 3 left down at the stones. Fast 3 left here. You've 100 again. And a 2 left up. And a 2 right over crest. And a long 2 right comes again. You have a 2 right and it nips. The second one nips, Robbie. You've 80 down. A shiny 1 left. 60. Caution, care. 3 left, slippy. You're slowing for slot hairpin left. 3 left here. Good man. See it? Hairpin right, slippy. Gone early. 250.
It's dry.
No raha.
Oh.
250. Flat crest at the top. 60. Long 1 left. Long 1 left. And 1 left again. It's okay. You see it? It's on the crest.
Yeah.
150 the far side. And you've left on crest for a 2 right in. 2 right in up here. 450 the far side. Mind the skip. 3 left. 3 left at the bottom here. Come back at the sign. You only have 60. Slot square left. You could do it 60 here, couldn't you?
I could.
60 here. Slot square left. That's her. Good lad. 200. Go! Crest jump. 40. Crest. 100. Slowing at the sign. Drops. Only 60. You have 5 left at the chevron. You're slowing here. Yeah. Use your box, Robbie. Yeah. 40 again. And the 2 left. Flat. 60. 1 left. 200 to a square right. Nearly finished. Use your box, Robbie. Use your box. Good man. 150 out. 150. Long crest, 3 right narrows, shiny break in. You've 60. Go early at the big 3 for 3 left at the big 3s. 3 left and you've tight 3 right. It's slippy. Opens to a 1 right after. Tight 3 right here. Opens to a 1 right. Go on. Crest bump jump 3 right. 60. 3 right slippy through the farm. Late 4 left the far side. Don't cut it. 130. All slippy from here, Robbie. You've a short 4 right down here at the pillars. And 60. Very late 4 left. And a long 3 right.
What are they waving us for, the cunt? This bad.
3 right slippy.
It's another junior gone. That's
2 left gone. 2 left here. And 1 right. Focus yourself now. You see it, the fast 4 right at the bottom. It's shitty. 3 right. Oh, so 1 right. Past the green fence. Yeah, 4 left here, sorry. And a 3 right. 1 right opens past the green fence. And a 1 left. And a 4 right over the shite. And you've a fast 4 left at the far side. And fast 4 right. And 2 left. And 2 right. And a short 4 left at the gate.
steady.
And 60. Right on crest. Turn square left. 2 right afterwards. Square left. Man. And 2 right go. And 2 left, don't cut. Only 60. Turn square left, out and in. Bail inside. 60 up the middle. Mind this. 4 right, don't cut. Into very long 2 left, on round. 130. 1 right, 100 over the rough. And a 3 left, 40 to your finish. Long 1 right. Long 1 right. And 2 right.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What do we do?
9:17.
Ah! Yes!